I've worked for Breeding for 9 years in Cloud Hill. It's the first Hitachi machine I've driven, and very impressed with it so far. So primarily it's used for loading two 70-ton dump trucks. It digs really well, there's no hesitation, doesn't struggle. The slewing is fine, there's no gaps, no hesitation with that. When you're working the levers, the boom and the rams and the bucket are moving without skips or hesitation. Inside the cab's lovely and quiet, there's a good all-round vision. The cameras, obviously, were one on each corner of the machine, so I can see that obviously the material behind me is not going to fall. The dumper in front of me, I'm not going to catch that when I slew around. A good clear vision in front of you when you're loading, you're not having to duck down to see under anything. So I'm quite a tall guy, I'm nearly 2 meters tall. Plenty of leg room, plenty of arm room. The seat, lovely and comfortable. The controls are exactly where I want them to be, where I need them, without having to scrunch up or to stretch out. Everything's perfectly as I want it. So on a daily basis, we check the engine oil, the hydraulic oil, the coolant. It's all good access, everything's clear. The sight glasses are good sight glasses where you can see clearly on them. Good all-round walkways where you're not having to climb up anything or climb down anything. Good firm grip so that on your feet, so that there's no slipping on any plates or anything. Yeah, really good.